Hi, thanks for visiting my channel. And usually I try to share some bits and pieces of my watercolor journey. And this picture actually is a card of a carnation, a pink carnation. And this is a reproduction of my watercolor artwork. And besides the fact that I actually painted a carnation, and it happens to be sitting in a vase, what I tried to learn in this painting was watercolor droplets. Watercolor droplets. And I think I got pretty close to a watercolor droplet, water droplet. And what I usually do is ask one of my family members to look at my painting, and I ask them what do they see. So I asked my son, and he said, "A water droplet?" Yes, it's a water droplet, and I passed the test. He knew what it was. Yay! Anyway, if you're thinking about painting, you never know what you can do. Thanks.